Joyce.
Welcome, young artists. Let's sprinkle some fun and color with our sand creations. Sand art is so much fun. Wow, that was amazing. Thank you for being part of our sand art journey. See you soon for more creative fun.